Morning. Just woke up. Anyway, so I got this at Walmart. I happened to get it when it was under $3 when it was at sale. It was like 2 something. I can't remember what it was. I'm pretty sure I tried the oats and honey. I don't know if I tried the peanut butter, and I don't think I've tried the oats and dark chocolate. Anyway, this is Nature Valley Crunchy. It is a little mini variety pack. I don't know why I said mini. It's not mini, but I'm confused. Okay, you get 12 bars. 12 bars. It looks like. So oats and honey. That's oats and honey. That's a peanut butter. Peanut butter. And 2 cups. Looks like you get 2 of each of these packets, and there's 2 inside of this. Let's do peanut butter too. There we go. Nature Valley Crunchy Peanut Butter granola bars. Apparently I forgot how to open these. Hi, Bibbles. I love Nature Valley, but I'm not a fan of things that make a mess. And this definitely wants to crumble everywhere. You get 2 of these bars. This is what it looks like. Just got a message from my sister. That's good. It's peanut butter, but not super peanut buttery. Like decently. I think I would have liked it a little bit more. Kind of a subtle sweet peanut butter as well. It's pretty good. Anyway, it's a solid 7 out of 10. I think I was going to check out of these.